हेलो एवरीवन, क्या आप भी सीक्वल सीखना चाहते हैं? क्या आपको भी वेल स्ट्रक्चर्ड कंटेंट नहीं मिल पा रहा है? डोंट वरी, इन दिस वीडियो यू विल बी गेटिंग अ कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव रोडमैप फॉर लर्निंग सीक्वल. We are Geekster and we are here to provide outcome based learning. I am Krishna and let's begin. इस रोडमैप में हम कवर करेंगे फ्रॉम बेसिक्स टू एडवांस विद ऑल द टॉपिक्स इन बिटवीन. अगर आप इसे फॉलो करते हैं तो आई एम प्रीटी श्योर यू विल बिल्ड सॉलिड अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ सीक्वल्स एंड स्किल्स दैट यू नीड टू वर्क विद डेटाबेसेस effectively. The SQL roadmap is divided into several of sections, starting with SQL basics, where you will learn about creating and dropping the databases and tables, inserting data and working with primary keys. From there, you will move on to more advanced topics like CRUD operations, string functions, selection refining, aggregate functions, data types, logical operators, and an introduction to relationships. The roadmap also includes some challenges and exercises that help you to reinforce your learning, and each section is built on the previous one. So you will be able to apply what you have learned as you progress through the roadmap. By the end of the course, you will be having a comprehensive understanding of SQL and the confidence to use it effectively in your work. So whether you are a beginner or have some expertise with SQL, this roadmap is for you. I encourage you to follow along. Take your time and practice as much as you can to get the most out of the learning journey. Let's get started. We will start with SQL basics, where we will get familiar with the Groom ID and its interface. Learn how to create and delete databases using SQL. Then we'll learn how to create and delete tables within a database. After that, we need to understand how to add a data to a table using SQL query. Lastly, in SQL basics, I will clear the concepts of null values, primary key and the default values. Next topic that we will discuss will be the CRUD operation, where you will be learning how to create records in a table, how to retrieve data from a table, how to modify existing data in a table, and lastly, how to delete records from a table. Next topic, we will discuss string functions, where we will learn how to concatenate string using concat keyword, how to extract substring and replace character in a string. Then we will learn how to reverse the string and get the length of the string. Then we need to understand the conversion of string to uppercase and lowercase. Next topic is selection refining, where we have to use the distinct keyword to retrieve the data in a unique records from a table. Using order by keyword to sort the records in a table, then we need to apply the limit keyword to limit the number of records retrieved using SQL. Then using like keyword, we can search for patterns in a strings. In the next section, we are going to learn the aggregate functions, which include the subtopics like count, where we learn how to count the number of records in a table, how to retrieve the minimum and maximum values from a table, how to use subqueries to retrieve data from multiple tables. Using group by keyword, we can understand how to group the data and retrieve the minimum and maximum value within a group. Then we learn how to calculate the sum and averages of a value in a table. In the next module, we are going to cover the data types, where we learn the difference between char and varchar data type. Also going to learn about decimal, floats, double data types. How to work with date and type data types. And lastly, how to format dates and timestamps in SQL. Next is the important topic, where we learn logical operators, including not equal, not like, greater than, less than, and logical operators or logical operators. Between keyword, in and not in keywords, case statements, everything in detail, along with challenges that help you to excel in logical operators. After that, we have to understand the introduction to relationships, where we will discuss the different types of relationships that can exist tables, including one-to-one, one-to-many, and many-to-many. Lastly, and most important topic will be joins, where we are going to understand the different types of join that can be used to retrieve the data from multiple tables like inner join, left join, and right join. So I hope you follow the roadmap. You can check out my videos too on this channel in the exact order and with detailed explanation. So see you there. Till then, happy learning, happy coding.